James kay DC Rose sa maninoy-maninay kag mga Amerikanan diyan taga mantis natin pag-umpisahan ng seremonya. Is there anybody who is against this ceremony? Please come forward and speak. What will you to sigaw? Ha? Wala. What will you sigaw? James and DC Rose, you came here to make perfect your commitment of love before the eyes of God and before the eyes of men. Being your municipal mayor, to strengthen your trust with each other, may the words of advice I will give you in the name of God remain in your hearts and minds. May this day be a happy remembrance, and you will both strive to have your new responsibilities realized. DC Rose, do you accept James to be your lawful husband? James, do you accept DC Rose to be your lawful wife? Do you swear under oath before me as municipal mayor of this town and to those who are present here of your acceptance of each other as husband and wife? Do you swear under oath to obey all the laws and directives as mandated by the Republic of the Philippines? May sinisang oras. Hence, you are to love one another as husband and wife, for better, for worse, for joys, for sorrows, for richer or poorer. Fulfill your obligations as husband and wife, and fully help one another at all times. Be true to yourself before God and before all men. By the power vested in me by the Republic of the Philippines as municipal mayor of this town, I declare you as husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. Congratulations, happy Valentine's. Dito ka mo ka sa limon darwa, tulad ka. Nakabukan ng hangin din, ay mas hindi mo kamihan. So, pirmahin nyo, no? Pirmahan ko na mag... May gawin ka na, no?